Tuesday, the 19th. We're going to pull up Discord as well. Tuesday the 19th, and there was no trades unfortunately, but we did hit all of our targets, all of our draws and liquidity. I'm going to show you why and how we got a bullish bias. So we start on daily time frame. You can see we've already retraced. We're inside this bullish fair value gap. How do I? But then if I put it on, it's gonna bring it back. Yeah. So regardless, we'll just work in here. Obviously these are all-time highs. We chopped around and then delivered to 50%. We're now in OTE of this up move. We'll move it to the bodies too, just to show. And yeah, so we used this for our main sort of bias. Where are we inside the daily time frame? We're inside a bullish fair value gap, hitting discount. So we can move on to next. We'd mark up our previous day lows. This one was inside of that one, so we was kind of just watching both, but we took this one. So we can delete this now, but as we took Friday's low, what is that? Damn, I can't spell. Or ERL. So this is external liquidity, as it's a swing low. So after we take external, where would we expect to go? To internal. So if we go down to the hourly time frame, right there, we can mark, or we had two ranges that we could mark, but I highlighted this one in particular. So you could have had from this range here, or the 1 hour range. The 4 hour range looks a bit more clean. The 1 hour range is a bit more advanced because you probably wouldn't have seen that as a gap. That is a gap. And you could have also argued that this move up filled discount, so we measure it from here. But if we look on the 4 hour, we've got this whole untapped range and this fair value gap that was made at 10 o'clock. So the hourly one is just the refined fair value gap. So this is our draw. If we head over to Discord, this is the 15-minute chart going into the session at 9:35. We had a SMT at the highs, I haven't showed you that yet. We marked out London high, midnight open, daily open, and that Friday low. So obviously we're expecting price to come to daily open, this fair value gap, midnight open, London high, and on the higher time frame, I believe it was the 4 hour. Yeah, that's a 4 hour gap, but no, that's a daily gap. Because obviously we took this swing low, we measured the swing low range, it'd be here, but we're not trying to be a swing trader, so we're trying to trade intraday, and it's a Tuesday with news that looks like this. So yeah, we're not expecting a 1,000,000 point move. If we get it, nice. How many points is it from where we are now? 40 points. We might make it, but when we was down here, I'll mark this one because this was the only entry I saw. 200 points wasn't likely on a day that had no news. So regardless, that was a 15-minute chart before and after. See if it'll let me paste it on there. Oh, it will. Lovely. As you can see, bang, filled out everything. And then we'll go over this SMT. So as you can see, I believe it was hourly. Yeah, it was. So, is it more than an hourly? 2 hourly as well? 4 hourly? It's obviously not daily. Yeah, with a 4-hour SMT here. So this high got taken. This high didn't get taken. We're on the 5-minute chart now. This was the entry. So this is a 1 minute, but this one right here, we pushed past discount, inverse this gap at 9:30, tapping into this order block. Now this is the order block that actually sent us higher. So same price right there. Bang, bang. Didn't enter because I never really enter at the start. Maybe I did miss this entry where we got an SMT at the macro. So yeah, we'll just start from, we've jumped ahead. I was just trying to show the 5-minute. We've jumped ahead, right, so we've covered the external, got the SMT, covered the draws and liquidity for the day. Let's start with this green box. Now, the reason why we didn't trade this today was because time was not aligned for me, personally. I didn't think time was aligned. Obviously, we get this breaker here. We get low, high, lower, low, high, high. That takes us higher. However, we made the low at 9:01. Entry was at 9:08. Now that is 20 minutes before New York Stock Exchange open. So what I was thinking was we could easily run down, take out this low, because this low is not timed. Put in a new low around 9:30. Or even 10, like we just chopped around. I did wonder, these legs down, could we come? But obviously not. We just missed the entry. But yeah, there was an entry here with this breaker where we took out the liquidity. This box is just the macro time from 7 till 10. But yeah, we took out liquidity, formed a breaker. There was your first entry. And then on the way up, literally you had all these order blocks right there, tapping in, right there, tapping in, here, tapping in. 9:30, we come down into the order block. We get an SMT, which could have been your entry as it was in macro, but I just missed that. As you can see, low. Anyways, for slick, we're in my chart now. Yeah, we're the SMT here. So low, high, higher, low, low, high, lower, low. So there's your SMT inside of the order block. So you could have entered in there. Might have been your second entry. And then on the way up, close above this order block. We're actually got the 1 minute, get more precise. It was a lot of chop, I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot of chop. 10 o'clock, didn't really do much. Literally just chopped around. As soon as we broke out of these highs, that's when we started sending price higher. We broke out. Work out these highs, and then we started pushing higher. We used this order block after breaking out. We didn't use it, never mind. Looked like we did. Then we just kept pushing higher, respecting order blocks. Sometimes not respecting, but not making breakers. So that's a good sign. And then we just slowly delivered up to London High, which was my final target. So yeah, overall, a good day for calls. Annoying we didn't get in, but I mean, you know, it don't matter. We had the bias right. Got the receipts to prove the bias was right. I know it doesn't matter about that, but there you go. There's the receipts before and after. So in a sense, it is still a W day, but yeah, there's not really much else for me to talk about. That's it for the trading day. Obviously we got all these alerts going off. All these today, so all these little dubs. But yeah, that's it really. Nice buy, but for me, didn't get an entry. Could have got in there. Didn't. Should have, but you know, it's all good. We'll put on the risk to reward. Let's be realistic with our stop loss. That's not. So if we hold to London High, which was our final target, bit freer. And if we got in, so we got the SMT. So you could have probably entered after the SMT. Stop loss, probably put it below here, maybe at this structure to London High. So you got a 3R there. So yeah, you could have made some risk to rewards today. That was the only valid entry for me. It was in macro. Yeah, I missed it, but it's all good. We got the draw and the hoodie right, and that's all that matters. If I miss entries but get the draw and the hoodie right every time, then I'm doing the hardest bit. Just got to find the entries. So yeah, that'll be it for today. I won't do an emotional video. There literally is none. Might do one, I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit, and peace.